Hey, I'm so glad you're here. So, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be starting my YouTube channel again. I know I've been on a pause, a long pause. It's been a long time since I posted on my channel, but I wanted to make sure that you guys knew I am back and I am excited to serve you guys and just be able to be a blessing to you guys. So, what are we going to be talking about in this channel? Well, we're going to be talking about how to simplify your health. So, how to live a simple, healthy lifestyle without all the crazy stuff. And so, we want to do that. And then also, we're also going to talk about how, why chronic health conditions are happening and what's going on in the body and how we fix the body. So, God created our bodies to heal itself given the right circumstances. So I want to show you guys something really quick. When you have an inflamed cell, your body doesn't heal properly because the cell will start to fail. So I'm going to draw a little cell here, okay, my little circle there. And you've got your cell system, you've got the membrane around here, right? So we've got the cell membrane, and people who are chronically sick, so if you're having massive conditions of like fatigue and brain fog and just headaches and not feeling well, even low hormones, your cells are not hearing your hormones, your nutrients, because this membrane here is very inflamed. And you've got receptors here that are attached to the cells, right? So you've got receptors. When the cell membrane is so inflamed, those receptors are not going to hear things. It's not going to bind to it. So then you've got the mitochondria in here, which is the powerhouse to the cell, right? And then you've got the the cell is going to produce energy. The mitochondria is going to create energy so that it detoxes the cell. And so you've got methylation happening in here. You've got detox happening in here. Well, when you can't get toxins out because the membrane is inflamed, you get chronic health conditions. So we definitely want to make sure that we are fixing this cell to get well. And I've been a Pompa coach for about a year now, and I have had much experience. I learned from Dr. Pompa back in 2012, and I have been working for Dr. Pompa as well. So it's been very great just to learn more and more about this and just being able to help people get well. So I'm excited to bring the knowledge and the expertise to you guys. I'm excited to share the knowledge that God has given me. I also love my Lord. I love Jesus Christ. I will be fully open about that. Okay, so if you do not love the Lord and that annoys you, that's okay. We can still be friends, but this channel may not be for you. But I hope it is. I hope it's a blessing for you, and I hope it is something that you can come and just watch and be encouraged by. So really, I'm here to serve you, to be a blessing to you, and to love God above all things, and to share the knowledge that He has given me. So I'm excited. Let's get this going. Please like, subscribe, do all the things just so that we can continue to have communication together. And then I am also taking on one-on-one clients, as I am currently doing right now. So taking one-on-one clients. If you are interested, feel free, down in the description below, you will find a link where you can schedule a 15-minute discovery call with me and see if we're a right fit. Never any pressure, really. Whoever God wants to bring into my life and who God wants me to work with, that's who I will work with. But you have to be 110% in. Okay, so I only want to work with those who are wanting to heal themselves. And so we're going to detox down to the cell. We're going to help create a healthy lifestyle, and we're going to get your body better. So keep following me. I'm excited to have you here, and thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you on our next video, or on my next video at least. God bless.